A well-organized kitchen is the heart of a functional and happy home. It not only makes cooking and meal prep more efficient, but also creates a pleasant environment where you can enjoy your culinary activities. However, organizing a kitchen can be a challenging task, and many people fall into common pitfalls that hinder their efforts. In this video, we will explore 25 mistakes people make when organizing their kitchens and provide tips on how to avoid them, ensuring your kitchen is both functional and inviting. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today I'll cover 25 mistakes people make when organizing the kitchen. Kitchen organizing mistake number 1 is not decluttering first. Before you can effectively organize your kitchen, it's crucial to declutter. Holding on to items that you rarely use or that are broken only takes up valuable space. Start by sorting through all your kitchen items and be ruthless. Keep only what you use regularly or truly love. Donate or discard the rest. This will make organizing much easier and more effective. Organizing mistake number 2 is ignoring vertical space. Many people overlook the potential of vertical space in their kitchens. Shelves, hooks, and tall storage solutions can greatly increase your storage capacity. Consider installing additional shelves above countertops or using wall-mounted racks for pots, pans, and utensils. If your kitchen cabinets do not reach the ceiling, utilize the space above your cabinets for storing less frequently used items. Kitchen organizing mistake number 3, storing items based on aesthetics instead of functionality. While a visually appealing kitchen is desirable, functionality should always come first. Placing items in locations that look good but are impractical can hinder your efficiency. Ensure that everyday items are within easy reach and reserve less accessible spaces for seldom used items. Strive for a balance between aesthetics and practicality. Kitchen organizing mistake number 4, not grouping similar items together. Grouping similar items together can save you time and frustration. Create zones in your kitchen for different categories, such as baking supplies, cooking utensils, and food storage. This makes it easier to find what you need and maintain order. For example, keep all of your baking ingredients in one area and your cooking spices in another. Kitchen organizing mistake number 5, overstuffing cabinets and drawers. Overcrowding your cabinets and drawers makes it difficult to find items and can lead to unnecessary clutter. Avoid this overstuffing by maximizing your storage space efficiently. Use organizers, dividers, and shelf risers to make the most of your cabinets. Keep a reasonable amount of items in each space to ensure easy access and visibility. Kitchen organizing mistake number 6, ignoring the pantry. An organized pantry is essential for an efficient kitchen. Many people neglect their pantry, resulting in a cluttered and chaotic space. To fix this, invest in storage solutions such as clear containers, baskets, and labels to keep your pantry tidy. Arrange items by category and frequency of use to make meal prep a breeze. Kitchen organizing mistake number 7 is not labeling your containers. You can get my free printable food labels over at dmiddleton.com under the printables category in the drop-down menu. Labels are a simple yet powerful tool for maintaining an organized kitchen. Without labels, it's easy to forget what's in each container or drawer. Use labels to clearly identify the contents of jars, bins, and shelves. This not only helps you find items quickly, but also ensures everything has the designated place. Kitchen organizing mistake number 8 is neglecting the fridge and freezer organization. A cluttered fridge and freezer can lead to food waste and frustration. You can keep these spaces organized by using clear bins, labels, and shelf dividers. Routinely check for expired or unused items and discard them. I like to do this right before I go grocery shopping so I can take stock of what I already have and what I need. In your fridge and freezer, arrange food by type and use, placing frequently used items at the front for easy access. Kitchen organizing mistake number 9 is using inefficient storage containers. Mismatched or inefficient storage containers can create chaos in your kitchen. Invest in high-quality stackable containers that fit well in your cabinets and pantry. Opt for clear containers so you can easily see the contents. Having a uniform set of containers also helps maximize space and maintain order. Also, you'll want to opt for square or rectangular shaped containers. Kitchen organizing mistake number 10 is not utilizing drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are essential for keeping your kitchen drawers organized. Without them, utensils and tools can quickly become a jumbled mess. Use dividers to separate items by category, making it easy to find what you need. Adjustable dividers allow you to customize the space to fit your specific needs. Check to see if your refrigerator and freezer has adjustable shelves and door shelves. Kitchen organizing mistake number 11 is forgetting about your counter space. I'm not talking about using the counter space as storage. Counter space is precious real estate in any kitchen. The goal is to free up your counter space. Keeping counters clutter-free makes meal prep easier and more enjoyable. Store items that don't need to be out on the counter in cabinets or on shelves. Use trays or baskets to corral frequently used items, ensuring they are easily accessible but not taking up unnecessary space. Kitchen organizing mistake number 12 is storing heavy items up high. Storing heavy items on high shelves can be dangerous and inconvenient. Avoid the risk of injury by keeping heavy pots, pans, and appliances at lower levels where they're easier to reach. Reserve those higher shelves for lighter, less frequently used items, like holiday dishes that you only use once a year. Kitchen organizing mistake number 13 is not using lazy Susans. I am not a fan of corner cabinets. Lazy Susans are a great way to maximize corner cabinet space. A lazy Susan can make it easy to access items stored at the back of the cabinet without having to dig through everything. Try using lazy Susans for spices, condiments, and other small items to keep them organized and within reach. Kitchen organizing mistake number 14 is overlooking under sink storage. The space under your sink can easily become a black hole of cleaning supplies and miscellaneous items. Use under sink organizers such as shelves, bins, and pull-out trays to make the most of this area. Keep your cleaning supplies neatly arranged and easily accessible. Kitchen organizing mistake number 15 is failing to create a cleaning supply zone. Having a dedicated area for cleaning supplies can streamline your kitchen tasks. Store all of your cleaning products, sponges, and brushes in one designated spot. You can use caddies with handles or bins to keep them organized and easy to grab when needed. Kitchen organizing mistake number 16 is neglecting to measure space before buying organizers. Buying organizers without measuring your space first can lead to frustration and wasted money. Before purchasing any storage solutions, measure your cabinets, drawers, and pantry to ensure that the organizers will fit. This will save you time and ensure you get the most out of your storage solutions. Kitchen organizing mistake number 17 is keeping expired or unused items. Holding on to expired or unused items takes up valuable space and can lead to a cluttered kitchen. On a weekly basis, go through your pantry, fridge, and cabinets to check for items that are past their prime or are no longer needed. Recycle, discard, or donate these items to free up space for things you actually use. Kitchen organizing mistake number 18 is not using transparent containers. Transparent containers make it easy to see what's inside, reducing the time spent searching for items. Use clear bins and jars for pantry staples, leftovers, and snacks. This not only helps you find things quickly, but also makes it easier visually to keep track of your inventory. Kitchen organizing mistake number 19 is ignoring the kitchen workflow. The way you organize your kitchen should reflect your cooking and meal prep workflow. Think about the tasks you perform most frequently and arrange your items accordingly, such as keeping pots and pans near the stove and coffee cups near the coffee pot. For example, try keeping your cutting boards and knives near your meal prep area. These simple steps will make your kitchen more efficient and enjoyable to use. Kitchen organizing mistake number 20 is not making use of the interior of your cabinet doors. The inside of cabinet doors is often overlooked as a storage opportunity. Install hooks, racks, or small bins on the inside of the doors to store items like measuring spoons, pot lids, or cutting boards. This utilizes otherwise wasted space and keeps frequently used items within easy reach. Kitchen organizing mistake number 21 is storing pots and pans inefficiently. Storing pots and pans can be a challenge, especially in small kitchens. Avoid stacking them haphazardly, which can make it difficult to access what you need. Instead, use pot racks, hooks, or pull-out shelves to keep them organized and easy to reach. Kitchen organizing mistake number 22 is overlooking small appliances. Small appliances can quickly take over your countertops if not stored properly. In fact, I bet that's what makes up most of your countertop clutter. It does mine. Create a designated space for appliances you use regularly, such as a coffee maker or a toaster. Store less frequently used appliances in cabinets or on shelves to keep your countertops clear. Kitchen organizing mistake number 23 is not using baskets or bins. This is a beautiful way to organize open shelving. You can also use them in your pantry, cabinets, and fridge to group similar items together. This makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your kitchen looking tidy. Opt for bins with handles for easy access. Kitchen organizing mistake number 24 is forgetting about the junk drawer. The junk drawer is a notorious trouble spot in many kitchens. To keep it under control, use small bins or dividers to separate items by category. Routinely go through the drawer to remove items that don't belong or that are no longer needed. And my final kitchen organizing mistake number 25 is not regularly maintaining organization. Once you've organized your kitchen, it's important to maintain it. Set aside time each week or month to tidy up and ensure everything is still in its place. Regular maintenance will prevent clutter from building up and keep your kitchen functioning smoothly. Avoiding these 25 common kitchen organization mistakes can transform your kitchen into a more efficient and enjoyable space. By implementing these tips and regularly maintaining your organization, you'll create a kitchen that not only looks great, but also works perfectly to fit your needs. How do you keep your kitchen organized? Be sure to share your tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.